What if I told you that one single photograph could change the way humanity sees itself forever? Because somewhere in the silence of deep space, far beyond anything most of us will ever experience, a crew of astronauts looked back and captured something that wasn't just beautiful, it was humbling, it was terrifying, and somehow it was deeply human. This moment comes from the historic Artemis II mission, humanity's bold return to the moon after decades of absence. But this isn't just another space mission. This is a reminder of how far we've come and how far we still have to go. The image itself seems simple at first glance. A massive, crater-covered moon dominates the frame, and in the distance, a tiny crescent of Earth floats quietly in the darkness. But the longer you look at it, the more unsettling it becomes. Because for the first time in a long time, you truly understand the distance, not just in numbers, but in feeling. Most people hear that space is far and move on, but this image forces you to confront reality. The International Space Station orbits just about 400 kilometers above Earth, close enough that astronauts can still feel connected to home. But the moon? It sits nearly 400,000 kilometers away. That's not just far, that's 1,000 times farther. And suddenly, space doesn't feel like an adventure anymore. It feels like isolation. It feels like risk. It feels like stepping into the unknown with no guarantee of return. And that's exactly what makes this image so powerful. Because somewhere inside that tiny spacecraft, inside the Orion module, 4 astronauts were staring out into that void, watching the moon grow larger and then slowly fade away again as they began their journey back home. For 7 hours during their close lunar flyby on April 6, 2026, they witnessed something few humans ever have: a world untouched, a surface scarred by billions of years of cosmic violence, endless craters, dark volcanic plains, ancient impact basins frozen in time. The moon isn't just a destination, it's a history book. One that tells the story of our solar system without saying a word. And yet, even with all of that in front of them, the astronauts didn't just look outward, they looked deeper. One of the most emotional images from the mission wasn't of the moon at all. It was a photograph of the Milky Way, captured during a quiet moment when the crew turned away from both Earth and the moon and faced the vast darkness of space. Now, we've seen images of the galaxy before. From powerful telescopes like Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescope, we've been spoiled with breathtaking high-resolution views of the universe. But this was different, because this time a human being was there, floating in deep space, physically pressing a button, capturing a moment not from a distant machine, but from within the void itself. And somehow, that makes all the difference, because this isn't just science anymore. It's experience, it's presence, it's humanity stepping back into the stars. But perhaps the most powerful part of this entire mission wasn't what they saw, it was what they chose. Astronaut Christina Koch said something during the mission that perfectly captures this moment. Ultimately, we will always choose Earth. We will always choose each other. And when you look at that image again, the massive moon in the foreground and that tiny crescent of Earth in the distance, you understand exactly what she meant. Because despite everything, despite the beauty of space, the mystery of the moon, the endless possibilities of exploration, home still wins, every time. The far side of the moon, visible in many of these images, tells a darker story. More craters, fewer smooth plains, a surface shaped by relentless impacts over billions of years. It's rough, violent, unforgiving, and yet, hanging behind it is Earth, calm, bright, alive, a place filled with oceans, air, and life, a place worth returning to. As the crew continued their journey, they captured image after image, each one revealing new details of the moon's surface. Massive impact structures like Hertzsprung Basin stretched across the landscape, its rugged terrain shaped by countless collisions. The Oriental Basin revealed its massive ringed structure, a reminder of the unimaginable forces that once shaped the moon. Crater chains stretched across the surface like scars, telling stories older than life itself. And along the edge of light and darkness, the Terminator line, mountains cast long shadows, creating islands of light in a sea of night. It was haunting, beautiful, and completely silent. At one point, the crew even witnessed a solar eclipse from lunar orbit. The sun slowly disappeared behind the moon's edge, sending out its final rays before plunging everything into darkness. Imagine that, standing on the edge of another world, watching the sun vanish. And yet, inside the spacecraft, something else was happening. Joy, excitement, pure human wonder. Photos of the crew show them smiling, laughing, completely in awe of what they were experiencing. Because despite the danger, despite the isolation, this was the journey of a lifetime, and they knew it. They even brought something small with them, a plush toy named Rise, a zero-gravity indicator floating alongside them, carrying the names of over 3 million people who signed up to be part of the mission in spirit. A tiny object representing millions of dreams. Because that's what this mission really is, not just exploration, but connection between Earth and space, between science and emotion, between who we are and who we want to become. As the Orion spacecraft now makes its journey back, preparing for splashdown in the Pacific Ocean, the world waits, not just for their safe return, but for what comes next. More images, more footage, more moments that remind us of our place in the universe. Because missions like Artemis II don't just push boundaries, they redefine them. They remind us that space isn't just something we look at, it's something we're a part of. And maybe, just maybe, this isn't the end of the story. It's the beginning of a new one. A future where the distance between Earth and the moon no longer feels impossible. A future where stepping into the stars becomes normal. But until that day comes, we look at that single image again. The moon, the Earth, and the endless space between them. And we realize something simple but profound. No matter how far we go, we never stop looking back.